Hi, first graders. Today we're looking at the idea of equality. This is when we get out the equal sign, and I want to remind you that when we're using the word equals or the equal sign actually means the same as. So, for example, if you saw the math problem, 2 plus 2 equals 4, what this really is saying is that 2 plus 2 is the same as 4. So today we are going to work on figuring out, are these things equal or not? Now, I chose chickens to use today because yesterday I saw that Miss Michaela had her chicken at home. And so that's why I picked chickens for today. Now, what I want you to do is sort. But since you can't cut out these things, what you can do is use sign language. So if you agree with this and you think it is true, then you can make a T with your hand. And if you don't agree with this, you think it's false, then you can make an F with your hand. Okay? So this chicken is saying 10 equals 10. What do you think? Is this true or is this false? If you think it's true, show me a T. If you disagree, then show me an F. What this is saying is 10 is the same thing as 10. Let's check. Take a look. 10 is the same thing as 10. 10 equals 10. So if you said this is true and you agree with it, give your brain a kiss. And if you didn't get it right this time, give your brain a kiss because you were thinking like a mathematician and you're working to figure out something new. 10 ones cubes is the same thing as a 10 stick. So yeah, 10 is the same as 10. Let's look at another. This chicken is saying 6 is the same thing as 4 plus 2. What do you think? If you agree and you think that this is true, show me a T. If you disagree, you think this is false, show me an F. Let's check. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the same as 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5 and 6. Yes! 6 is the same thing as 4 plus 2. Try this one out. 3 plus 7 is the same thing as 4. Or 3 plus 7 equals 4. What do you think? Is this true? Do you agree with it? Or is this false? Let's check our work. If you have 3 of something and you add 7 more, how many do you have altogether? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is 10 the same as 4? Heavens no. This one is false. So, did you see how I used materials to help me figure this out? In this case, I used cubes. If you don't have cubes at home, is that totally okay? Yeah. I know that you probably have rocks outside that you can go and get. Maybe you just use Cheerios. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you use socks. Do whatever you need to do to help you with these next problems, okay? When I show you the screen, go ahead and pause it so then you can figure it out on your own. Is this true or is this false? All right, let's try it. Is 12 the same as 9 plus 3? Pause me now to figure it out. Is 8 minus 4 the same thing as 12. Get your stuff. Show me 8. Take away 4. Is that the same thing as 12? Pause me now to find out. Kiddos, another way that you can practice working on equality at home is to make your own balance.